Hey, this is Joshua again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 554 Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this beautiful certified pre-owned 2016 Volkswagen Passat SEL. This front-wheel drive sedan comes with a 1.8-liter TSI turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with driver-selectable modes. You get 25 miles per gallon in the city, 38 miles per gallon on the highway, front and rear anti-roll bars with gas pressurized shock absorbers, heated leathered seats, 3 12-volt DC power outlets, ABS and driveline traction control, blind spot monitor and sensors, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert and backup camera, radio with aux and USB input, Bluetooth connectivity and navigation system, Fender premium audio system with subwoofer, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.